Hi guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we're going to go ahead and take care of the garden, get it ready for the winter, take the fence down and go ahead and mow all the old plants down, and then let the chickens take care of the rest. They usually clean it up pretty good and I don't have to worry about the seeds or any of that stuff. The only thing I won't do right now, I am going to, is till it up. I'll go ahead and let that stuff die down a little bit, and then I'll bring over the big tiller from my dad's house and go ahead and till it up. So let's go ahead and get the fence down and put you guys on time lapse and we'll get it done. Well, that's one way to take care of the garden. Now the chickens will come in here, there's one already, and they will clean all this up as far as the peppers and the tomatoes that are rotten. They'll take care of all the seeds. I usually don't have strays come in following season. So I'll go ahead and weed all this out for the cucumbers and see if I get any cucumbers before it gets too cold for a frost. I don't see any buds on there yet, but they're growing pretty fast. So I'll get all this weeded out and then just fence off them. And I'll hit this one more time with the lawnmower. And then later maybe in 2-3 weeks, I will hit it with the large tiller on the back of my dad's tractor, if I can get it over here. But that's the garden, guys. It's one chore down. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. I'm not going to do a whole lot tonight, but that's one thing. So one thing down. Next up is probably working on the chicken coop. Just got to gather up some material. So I'll see you guys on the next video.